This Nutcracker decoration looks impressive, but it's easy to make and uses some really simple supplies. For this project, you will need 2 paint sticks, available usually for free at your hardware stores, mini Jenga pieces, popsicle sticks or wood blocks, acrylic paint or paint markers, glue, Mod Podge, and a paintbrush. For the Nutcracker, we're going to use the squared off end for the top, and we're going to glue 2 paint sticks together. Just a little bit of tacky or wood glue. Make sure they're even at the edges. And then glue on the arms. I'm using 2 mini Jenga blocks on each side, but you can use popsicle sticks or other wood blocks. And again, I'm just going to glue them to the sides. This is also why it's nice to use 2 paint sticks for the thickness, because the Jenga blocks are a little bit thicker. I pulled up some clip art of a Nutcracker on my computer, and I just used that for a reference. And just to make sure I put things in the right place when I'm painting, I'm going to pencil in just some of the key components. I like to use paint markers for this because it's smaller and it's more precise, but you can use acrylic paints and a paintbrush. So I like to do one color at a time. So I've got the tan and the black, and I'm also going to do 2 coats of everything. So I'm not showing both coats on the video, but as you do the colors, let them dry, go over them again, or do the whole thing at once and then go back and do a second coat. You can use this video for reference for your Nutcracker. Just stop it at different spots to see what comes next. Or like I said, you can find clip art or maybe use a real Nutcracker decoration. But really, it doesn't have to look exactly like anybody else's. You can be creative and do your own thing. I like to come in with a fine black paint marker or permanent marker at the end and just outline some of the elements to make them pop. When all the paint is dry, give your Nutcracker a coat of Mod Podge, which will dry clear, and this will make it last longer and give it a subtle shine. Make sure that you do the sides and the back of the stick as well. When it's all dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas.